What is up, guys? Welcome back to Shortline Railfare Channel here on the hot rails of the KCS. It's fine. We're here. It's the first train of this long day. We've had a bunch of issues and errors today. I don't smell anything. It's fine, mother. I don't have time to get it on. But yeah, we're here in D Queen. Decided to come to D Queen today. I think they're going to be coming across. Oh my gosh, that was loud. Huh? I'm wearing red. Oh, I love the smell of that diesel. Huh? Exactly what I thought. Yep, that's the DQ&E interchange. Huh? Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna get in the truck so I can start eating. Yes, I haven't ate much. Oh my god, I thought that just said 6-7. But yes, anyway, we decided to head to D Queen today. The only reason why we're in D Queen today is because we were bored. So basically, my mother tried putting oil in the truck. Of course, we need oil. You know, you need oil to go anywhere if it gets low. So she eventually, you know, did put oil in the truck, but she spilt it on the engine. So it, you know, like oil is flammable, like that tanker car right there. Anyway, oil's highly. I don't know how to explain it, but anyway, so when it comes in contact with the engine, it'll start to smoke and it smells, and it, you know, it's not usually a worry unless you get it deep in the engine or something, like, you know, it starts, you know, I'm not gonna, you know, go there. I've said, you know, like 3,000 times already. Anyway, we're here, we made it. It is a Friday. It is January 9th, 2026. So this is actually the first time we've been to D Queen in 2026. So I stayed home today because it's a Friday and I was sick at the stomach this morning, so I didn't go to school. Only reason why, like I said, my stomach was hurting, but I thought I'd let you guys know the whole process it took just to get here. Yeah, they're speeding up now. It takes a while, let's just say that. It's currently 1:55 p.m. right now, almost 2. I think we're gonna stay here until about 4, because we'll have to hit the road before dark. Anyway, I'm just gonna let you guys chill and watch the train now. Why is my phone stuttering? Oh, my phone's stuttering now. Oh, oh. It has to have a DPU. It's a very long train. But yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh wow, look, lumber. Mom. Alright, well, I'll see you in just a minute once they've finished what they're doing. Alright, guys, they're backing up now. This usually happens. So usually right after this, they will back up and then they will head on. Once they head on, it usually becomes really active. Like, really active. But, I'll let you guys know what happens. Until then. Alright, guys, so now they're moving forward. Alright, guys. We have lost one over here in the pile of traffic. But I don't know what's going to happen, so I'll just probably see y'all soon. Alright, guys. So, just a little bit later. And, we don't know what the heck's going on. We know that this has got to be like the DQ&E interchange or something. This is what happened in June when we came. This was our first train. Like, we literally got here and then it was right there, just like we just did just a second ago when we got here and it was right there. So, again in January, June and January, J&J. That's funny. Oh yeah, now they're moving. Now, to be honest with you guys, I think right after this train actually clears up and everything continues on, okay, y'all watch her. Is she really gonna walk in front of that train?
Mama?
Huh. If it stops again and she tries to go around it or under it, I'm gonna say, hey lady, you need to stop trespassing. No, I'm saying if this train was to stop again. Oh, I think, nope, that ain't the end.
You're watching her too.
Yeah. Yep. She needs to get away from the tracks. Way too close. I would go up to her and say, hey lady, you're a little too close to the tracks. You need to back up. Sometimes it just takes standing out there. That UTLX, look at that thing on the back is big, the text.
Yeah, I got to thinking.
Sodium hydroxide solution.
That one's yellow.
A hopper? Flammable?
At first I thought she might not be able to see and she was blind.
And if she can hear the cars. And she's eating too. Sorry guys. I'm just kind of watching out for these people around here. I mean, even though I'm not from this town, I know these homeless people try to kill themselves. I think it's stopping. And if it does stop and she tries to go around it, or under it, or over,
Or top.
I just know it, she better not do it. Well, shit. Oh, I did not mean to cuss. My bad. Alright, let's watch her. Y'all better watch her. I want to see what she does. What if I capture this? Yep, they stopped. Okay, I think that vehicle's about to go around. Or turn around. Why is it moving up? Oh, there goes that one. Okay, that semi's moving now, so we might need to move. Yep. Well, she's not... I don't think she's going to do it. Well, she better not, because they might be backing up here in a minute.
No, he's going across. Thought she was fixing to get on top of it and go.
I got it zoomed in on her just in case she does it. Yep, they're about to move again, so. Oh, yep, there's a high rail too. What do you want to bet this high rail comes out here and tells her to get away? And she's way too close. No. Although he needs to come over here. Tell her to get away from the tracks. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry for rambling, but I'm just watching out for people. Oh, she's gonna do it. She's gonna do it.
She's messed up.
Yeah, she's on that goo good. Look at the good angle I have. Look at that salt packet.
Mm-hmm.
It was stuck. I ain't really filming the train. I'm filming her because I'm watching. Make sure she don't, do anything. It's just stuff. I don't want her seeing me filming her. Oh, there goes a semi. Yep. Chickens. Yeah, chickens.
Well, it is pilgrims.
Yep. Oh, it's behind that box. It don't look suspicious. I don't want people doing this crap. And she's really enjoying that food. Okay, we're gonna just zoom out of her. Whoa.
There's a high rail leaving over there.
Yep. Mate, I wish to God we can flag them down. And, oh no, they're backing up in there.
Okay. No,
Alright.
they're going out the other way.
Alright, guys, I might get back to you just in case. If she winds up doing something, yeah, I will let y'all know. Alright, guys, they're moving. There goes that woman. She picked up a rock. And somebody's honking.
Right there. That pickup.
And so, anyway, this is going to be something. Because I had to roll my window up because she came extremely close.
She don't throw rocks at it.
No, she picked that rock up to, eat it. I think she just literally ate that rock.
She's eating.
If any of y'all know this woman,
She's eating it.
get your crackheads out of D Queen. I'm sorry, I just cannot help it. You're not gonna try to throw stuff at a train. I could.
They just sent me that.
Mother. Look how close she is.
Oh.
Oh, there's the person's getting out of their vehicle back there.
I'm sending this to him and I'm showing him.
How close somebody is?
Yeah.
I mean, Marshall's came to D Queen so many times. Well, only a few times. I don't even know how many times he's came, but to D Queen. He ought to know. Hey, look, she backed up. Guys, I would film the train, like film it, but she is actually worrying me because I don't want her getting killed. Like I said earlier, I'm watching out for these people because they're crazy. They're crackheads. Oh wow, look at that boxcar coming up, y'all. Oh wow, mama, no DPU. No DPU. Look at that. Look at that boxcar. Flexi Fleet. That's Amtrak. That's it. I think that's the next Amtrak boxcar. Look at her. Look at her. There you go, you little. And finally, Freddy. Look there, buddies. Finally. Alright, well, it looks different now without a train sitting here, but I'll catch you later, y'all. Alrighty, guys, we had to come to Gillum, because unfortunately, my phone shut off while filming that, and there is a CPKC unit on it. One of the new units, and I disappointingly wanted to catch that, so I am here now. I am making sure everything is clear, but I am going to get this thing. I'm not going to let it escape. So this train is about to meet with it, as you can see down that way. We are only here because we realized we beat it. It's Summit. But yeah, it should be coming around them curves down there. It passed the Highway 71 overpass, so should be coming around them curves pretty soon. And I think after this is actually my third train, we might. Oh no, that's wild. That's wild. 6-7. Anyway, once we leave here and head back to D Queen, I think we're gonna head home because it's already 4. It's 4:14 right now, and I have no reason. I don't know why my phone shut off or like stopped filming. But like I said, that other train should be coming around the curve soon. It's gonna meet with this one. That's why they're slowly going past here. But to be honest, at this point, I think it ought to have been here by now. See the bridge down there. But yeah, pretty much that was rare. And y'all are going to probably see that on Heritage Units in about a couple minutes. Once I film it, come past here. Knowing it's got to be NSF leader, this is about to be a W picture. I'm hoping it gets here soon, because this train is, oh, that's a big XCS6 big blue car, because this train is almost about to end, I'm pretty sure. Bro, another 6-7 box car. That's just crazy. Yeah, we're in Gillum, so Gillum's pretty weird. I could stand over there, but it is hauling. That train is going fast, really fast. I would stand over there so I can do this, but I guess this is fine as well. I'm honestly, you can see old red over there. I'm honestly starting to wonder, is it gonna come around that curve soon? Oh, I hear it. It's about to meet. And while that yeah, that's the nice thing to do. Turn your lights off when you're passing another train. I think they're stopping up here, this coal train. I don't know. Oh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Heck yeah. That is crazy. Heck yeah, y'all. I knew the action would get flowing once that other train left. It's like a track where they store cars. It's all broke to heck. Uh-oh. Dang, son! Uh-uh. Hey, on that manifest, I saw 2 boxcars. They had number 67. Oh, you hear how he honked when he got up here? I just think it's weird how he hauled by here and then laid off the throttle. Coal is as hot as 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Mama, that coal car says OAR graffiti. JE reporting marks. Nice. Oh, actually, The other train's moving. He sped back up. Yeah, I think so. Although it sounded weird. Huh? We have the meats. Man, y'all, 2026 is off to a good start. Yeah, he's hauling now. The coal train was the main thing we were here for. Didn't expect to get the other train. Oh, there's the DPUs. Four locomotives. Alright, here we go. Huh. Oh yeah, bro. Probably an X2 on SD60 was on that. Not this train, y'all. Dia Mexico. Yeah, no, this is not a grain train. Y'all know that. Puppy. Coca-Cola, an old Coca-Cola store.
Wax.
Coca-Cola. Hey, Mama. Look at that coal in that car. That's a loaded coal car. And that thing is up to the brim. Arena. My bad. Okay. No. Why? Why do you have to cuss on it? Oil cars. My Lanza, this thing's long. Well, once we get down. Oh, see a set. Severe core. Ow. That's a arena. The same graffiti. $12.87. 125. Carbon dioxide. That thing derailed, it would kill everybody in this town. Well, actually, it wouldn't kill everybody, but it would hurt them. Carbon dioxide is what we breathe out, I think. Power poles. Why is Gillum got so many old buildings? Oh my goodness. NKCP? No, that used to say NKCR. Is another train coming? DPRX 1114.
Flammable liquids. Not for class 3s.
What does that say? Not for class 3. Not for class 3 flammable liquids.
That's the end of it.
No DPU? Well, I did have a mid. And I guess we will head back to D Queen and go to Robinson and sit there to catch this sucker again. But probably going faster. It's one thing. I think either we have another train coming, but I don't know. No, they're still on that other track. That's why they're not speeding up. Alright, guys. Well, I'll see y'all later. You're on the hot rails of Pacific Kansas City. And I better go report that. I'll see you guys later. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. Same train. At Robinson now. How'd you guys like that CPKC locomotive? That was a W. I was saying all I can smell it. They're stopping.
cars over there turning around.
I think they meant an emergency. Anyway, y'all, I think I'll get back to y'all. Oh, never mind. I don't think I got to. Alright, I'll get back to y'all whenever they start moving or another train comes. I don't know what's going on.
How would that other train get on that other?
Alright, catch you later.